This is your $7 moment. This is it right now. You've been on the sidelines for weeks, months, maybe even years. And just like me, 3 years ago, I was sitting right where you are right now, constantly seeing people talk about their success online, just being in this constant loop of self doubt. Then one day I said, oh, the hell with it. And I made my very first $7 digital marketing ebook purchase. And the rest is history. It's now my personal mission to not only share that $7 moment with others, but exceed the value I received that day. I started as a complete beginner. No tech background, no social media strategy, just a desire to figure it out and to take control of my time and income. And within my first 14 days, I made my first $1,000 high ticket sale, which was pretty awesome. That single moment changed everything. Not because of the money, but the money was awesome, but because of what it proved. This works. So, what is digital marketing and affiliate marketing? Let me break it down. Digital marketing is simply promoting products or services online through content creation, email, social media, or even search engines, and converting that into traffic and into leads and sales. Affiliate marketing takes it a step further. You promote someone else's digital product and you earn a commission for each sale. The nice thing about that is that there's no inventory, there's no product creation, and no customer service headaches. These two marketing approaches allow you to focus on learning high income skills like content strategy, audience building, and automation, skills that will serve you for life. Whether you're exploring building a personal brand, building digital products, or just finally trying to figure out what a conversion funnel is, this playbook is for you. My mission is simple: help you go from zero to your very first result. I've personally gone through the trial and error. I've bought the wrong courses. I've been stuck in learning mode, and I've doubted whether I could even do this. But when I leaned in and stayed consistent, that's when things changed. Get the playbook. Start learning, start building, start executing. I will personally check in with you within the next 2 weeks to see how it's going. This is your first step towards time freedom, creative freedom, and maybe even one day your very first $1,000 day. Let's get it.